Most men over 50 believe this is enough. Drink 8 glasses of water, stay hydrated, feel healthy. You've heard that advice your whole life, right? But here's the shocking truth. If you're still drinking plain water after age 50, you are missing one of the simplest, most natural, and most powerful ways to restore your energy, your circulation, and that feeling of being completely alive inside your own body. Sounds unbelievable, but stay with me. I'm Dr. Georgia Bennett, urologist and men's vitality specialist. I've spent over 10 years helping men understand the real science behind aging, why stamina drops, why energy doesn't last, and why that strong, confident version of yourself starts to feel like a memory. And it all connects back to one tiny molecule inside your body, a molecule most men have never even heard of. It's called nitric oxide. Nitric oxide controls one of the single most important functions in your body, blood flow. When nitric oxide production is high, your blood vessels open wider, your circulation improves, your muscles, heart, and brain get what they need to perform. Your energy feels strong and natural. But once you hit 50, nitric oxide levels can drop by 50% or more. That's when men start noticing slower mornings, lower physical drive, foggy thinking, longer recovery, confidence dipping quietly in the background. Now, here's where the hydration myth comes crashing down. Plain water does nothing to rebuild nitric oxide. It keeps you alive, sure, but it doesn't give your body any of the raw materials needed to produce nitric oxide. Think of your body as a factory. Water keeps the lights on, but without the right ingredients, nothing gets manufactured. So you walk around hydrated, but running on low power. Your blood vessels are clean, but empty. Your heart is pumping, but struggling. You may look fine, but inside, circulation is slowing down. Before I show you how to fix this, do me a quick favor. Comment below where you're watching from. I love seeing men worldwide take control of their health. And hit that like button. It helps more men get the information they've been missing for decades. And of course, make sure you're subscribed, because what I'm about to show you can completely transform the way your body works from the inside out. Why nitric oxide is the spark of life. When you were younger, nitric oxide production was strong. You could wake up energized, work all day, still have stamina for the night. And it didn't feel like effort. It felt normal. But as you age, blood vessels stiffen, the inner lining, your endothelial cells, weakens, nitric oxide drops, circulation slows, oxygen delivery declines. This affects everything, biologically, emotionally, and practically. Biologically, your heart works harder, your muscles get tired faster, your recovery slows. Mentally, focus drops, brain feels heavy. Emotionally, you lose the feeling of being unstoppable. Practically, energy crashes earlier every day. And the cruel part? Most men don't even know this is the reason they feel older, and no doctor ever told them how to rebuild nitric oxide naturally. What nitric oxide actually does. Nitric oxide sends a message to your blood vessels. Relax, open up, let more life through. More nitric oxide equals better heart function, better brain performance, better muscle stamina, better circulation to the entire body, better overall vitality. When nitric oxide rises, you don't just feel younger, your body acts younger. You turn the lights back on in every cell. And here's the good news. You don't need prescription drugs, you don't need surgery, your body already knows how to make nitric oxide. It just needs the right ingredients, and that starts with what you add to your water. The solution: nitric oxide enhanced water. Let's start with the 3 most powerful boosters every man over 50 should use. Booster 1, beetroot powder. Yes, the deep red vegetable your grandmother cooked. Turns out, it's one of nature's strongest nitric oxide activators. Why? Beetroot is extremely rich in dietary nitrates. Inside your body, nitrates turn to nitrites, nitric oxide. And here's the key detail. This conversion pathway does not rely heavily on aging endothelial cells, meaning, even as your blood vessels age, beetroot still creates nitric oxide efficiently. It's a shortcut back to your younger circulation. Research has shown that just one serving can improve blood flow within hours, boost endurance, increase oxygen to muscles and brain, support healthier blood pressure, sharpen overall alertness, and unlike caffeine, this is real energy created by your own biology. How to use it? Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of beetroot powder in a large glass of water. Deep red, slightly earthy taste. Drink in the morning. You'll notice more clarity, more stamina, smoother blood pressure, no crash. Men who start their day with beetroot water report steady, reliable, youthful energy all day long. Booster 2, pomegranate extract. Now, beetroot is powerful, but combine it with pomegranate and the effect skyrockets. Why? Pomegranate is loaded with polyphenols, potent antioxidants like punicolagens, ellagic acid. These compounds act like bodyguards for nitric oxide. Because nitric oxide is fragile. It breaks down quickly, especially in men who have inflammation, eat processed foods, live with stress, have toxins accumulating over time. Pomegranate protects nitric oxide from breaking down, so it stays active longer. Think of it like this. Beetroot turns on the faucet. Pomegranate keeps the water running. Together, they're unstoppable. Studies show pomegranate can improve blood vessel flexibility, reduce blood pressure, increase nitric oxide availability. How to use it? Add 1 teaspoon of pomegranate powder or 1 tablespoon of pure extract into that same morning glass. You'll get a richer taste and nitric oxide stays in action longer inside your system. Booster 3, watermelon L-citrulline. Yes, sweet, refreshing watermelon. It contains a unique amino acid, L-citrulline. Your body converts citrulline to arginine, and arginine is direct fuel for nitric oxide production. But here's the surprise. Citrulline works better than taking arginine supplements. Why? Arginine gets broken down in digestion. Very little reaches the bloodstream. But citrulline passes through smoothly and is converted right inside your cells, at the exact location where nitric oxide is made. Research shows citrulline can improve circulation, restore vascular elasticity, enhance performance and recovery, boost natural vitality. How to use it? Add 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of L-citrulline powder to your morning glass of beet plus pomegranate. Now, you have beetroot creates nitric oxide. Pomegranate protects nitric oxide. Citrulline supercharges nitric oxide production. 2 powerful pathways activated, 1 incredible result. You feel alive again. Bonus enhancers. With these 3 in place, you can take it even further. Pine bark extract rejuvenates endothelial cells, a tune-up for your blood vessels. Leafy greens powder, spinach or kale. More nitrates plus essential nutrients for vascular repair. Ginger improves nitric oxide production while reducing inflammation, the silent vessel killer. Hibiscus relaxes blood vessels and supports healthy blood pressure. Great nitric oxide synergy. Cocoa rich in flavonols that help vessels expand when needed. Tasty and effective. Tart cherry reduces oxidative stress, enhances recovery, and supports nitric oxide stability, especially helpful for sleep quality and muscle renewal. You don't need them all, but each adds its own support to circulation, stamina, and daily vitality. How to build the habit. Consistency is where transformation happens. The men who see real change aren't the ones who mix a special drink sometimes. They're the ones who build it into their daily routine. Recommended schedule. Morning, 1 full glass of nitric oxide water. Wakes circulation, energizes cells, primes your muscles and brain. Early afternoon, 1 more glass. Stops the usual post-lunch energy crash, keeps vascular performance strong the rest of the day. Simple starting recipe. 1 to 2 teaspoons beetroot powder, 1 teaspoon pomegranate powder, 1/2 teaspoon L-citrulline, Mix the powders dry. Store them in a jar. Then use 2 to 3 tablespoons daily in water. Don't like the earthy taste? Add a squeeze of lemon. Bonus, vitamin C protects nitric oxide even further. This is not a temporary quick fix. This is a lifestyle upgrade, a switch that gets easier and more rewarding each week. What you can expect over time. When nitric oxide levels rise consistently, week 1 to 2, morning energy improves, less midday crash, blood pressure feels smoother. Week 3 to 4, workouts feel stronger, walking and stairs feel easier, focus becomes sharper. Week 6 and beyond, confidence starts returning, endurance feels youthful, you feel present in your life again. This is your physiology remembering how to operate like it did decades ago. Not stimulation, not tricks, pure cellular rejuvenation. Final reminder, your age is not the problem. Your nitric oxide is. Small changes bring back comfort, restore freedom, rebuild confidence from the inside out. Your body is remarkably capable. It just needs the right tools. Take care of your circulation, and it will take care of every part of your vitality. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because every week I'm giving men honest, science-based guidance to stay strong, sharp, and fully alive. Share this video with someone who needs it, and tell me in the comments, which ingredient are you going to try first? I'm Dr. Georgia Bennett. Stay strong, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next video.